A chatbot, one of the best innovations of artificial intelligence, is a program that can carry on conversations with people on websites, much like a live chat widget. A chatbot is a digital agent on your website, interacting with as many visitors as you have on your site at any one time and working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. They never stop. Chatbots are great for customer engagement and support, list building, capturing website visitors' names, email addresses and phone numbers, frequently asked questions, and can even help with market research. They can complete a number of tasks that your visitors might require, whether it be pointing them to the right product of interest, helping direct them through to your sales team, or taking a booking or reservation. You can program a chatbot to forward a difficult question from a customer to yourself, or to your members of staff, in a timely manner. Chatbots and artificial intelligence are the future of digital marketing. There is no end to what you can get a chatbot to do for you, and everyone has slightly different requirements. According to Gartner, customers may manage 85% of the interaction with a company without even speaking to a human by 2021. Transform your website into an automated list-building sales machine. To find out more and to have your own custom chatbot built and launched for your company, please go to the website shown in this video, or call Michael at 786-292-9026. Got bot.